Are you a princess?
Maybe.
Really? Give me a kiss! Give me a kiss! Give me a kiss! Give me a kiss! Oh, Prince Super Charming is back! Yeah.
It's happening. This is recording now and will be recording the whole time.
Oslo was a convicted felon.
He is also an informant for the Federal Bureau of Investigation.
We have a buyer.
I'm gonna take everything you got, cabrón. You're a cop. If these guys find out you're a cop, you're a dead man, you understand? I'm gonna give you one chance. And I'm gonna give it to you in a few seconds.
Yo, freeze! That's where I can see him, NYPD.
This is bad business. Storzek tells me that the cop was pointing the gun in your face. You now owe the price of your life to Wojtek. How much is your life worth? You'll break your parole.
Get back to prison.
If anyone can get drugs inside, it's you.
I want out.
We go along with the General's plan. Evidence of fentanyl being methodically distributed inside a state prison buries the General for good. And if that happens, you're a free man.
If you go back inside, you'll never get out.
I'm here to investigate the death of somebody very close to me.
We can't have this detective find out that an FBI informant was present during the murder of one of his own.
You want to pit your field office against the biggest police department in the world? We love us a good fight.
Vendetta on my mind like a sick pleasure.
What are you thinking?
Burn him.
He has a family. We looked him in the eyes. We made him guarantees.
I don't have kids. I would suffer too much if something happened to me.
Please, Daddy, come back home. I'm scared.
I'm doing everything I can.
I'm coming for payback. I'm coming for payback.
I'm the hangman, and I just put a tight noose around your neck.
I'm not getting out of this.
This ends now.
Surprise.